What's up, guys? This is Alaskan Hawk from FinTrade Pros. Just wanted to look at the SPY chart today and tell you what I see as far as technical analysis standpoint. So, looking at the daily chart here, I see an island up here, gaps up right here, trades throughout the week, and then gaps down, and then moves 5.5, 6% down. Crazy, crazy move. But this is a island reversal pattern. All right, so in order for this to be validated on the drop, you've got to have some volume, and there's the volume clearly higher than average over the last 2 days. To me, this is very bearish looking. I'm very bearish on the SPY right now. We'll see what happens moving forward, but let's look at the daily or the 5-minute chart. Show you what kind of happened today. So we gap up this morning, and we get hit at resistance right here. So if you grab the trend line and you drag this out and you draw where that stopped at, as you can see, this is where we bounced prior to the gap up. All right, on the 5th. All right, so on the 4th we come down and bounce right on that level. So that's nice, strong support right here where we bounced at. And as you can see, that's where the rally stopped this morning, right at that point, almost to the penny, and then just continued down. And looking at how it went, there is major support at that 300 level right here, as you can see where it hit yesterday, gaps up, comes back down, hits again, and then bounces and moves down. All right, so what I see is lower highs and lower lows. All right, and then there was a nice rally at the end of the day. I personally am not convinced that this is a reversal right here, based on the island and just the downward momentum. I think it's going to continue lower. I think the news is going to pump some coronavirus stuff out there, and it's going to cause investors to maybe start selling off some positions in anticipation for another big drop. Now, by no means am I saying that the market's going to crash like it did when the coronavirus, happened earlier. What I am saying is there is more downside. All right, there's quite a bit more downside to the 296 area, which I think it will try to test. We'll just have to see moving forward. But anyway, I do think that this is a very bearish looking chart right now, just based on the things that I just talked about. There is a trend. There was a trend right here, and it did break that trend line. So we'll see. We'll see what happens if it continues down and it comes back down through and goes down. Anyway, I think that's about it. We'll just have to see what Monday looks like. I mean, who knows? The market's so crazy nowadays. It's hard for you to predict anything. I mean, one tweet or one article or something moves the entire market really quickly. Okay, so if you guys have any questions or comments or your thoughts on SPY and what it may be doing, go ahead and comment below. Subscribe to the channel. That way you're not missing any of these videos. And throw us a like. And if you're interested in options trading, make sure you check out the FinTrade Pros group. It's highly profitable. We got spreadsheets that show all of our trades and what positions we're getting into and the success that we have. All right, so if you're interested, go to check out FinTradePros.com, and we'll see you next time.